Good night everybody. Today I'm working on a 2013 Kia Sorento. Just giving you guys a heads up when you get one of those Kias engine knock. Seems like there is a recall for it. There are a lot of cars that have had this problem. The one I had here, as you guys can see, is a brand new 2013. It's in pretty good shape. It has only 50,000 miles, and this is the engine itself. This is number one. It was knocking pretty bad. Customer was driving from Miami to here, Tampa. That's the place I live at, and he just started experiencing a knock. No problem with the oil, no problem with the antifreeze. Everything was okay. You can see where number 2 has play 2, so cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2 knocking. 3 and 4 are okay, but it's probably gonna need a crankshaft at this point. You guys can see, got everything disassembled here. We'll see. The engine is a little bit expensive. This is the Bean 1, character A Bean 1 is the one that is really expensive. I'll give you guys an upgrade or an update whenever I get everything together. We'll see. This is going to the machine shop. Hopefully they can save that crankshaft. Otherwise, I'm gonna need to get a new crankshaft. Well, just giving you guys a heads up. Be careful about these engines. They do have a recall, but if you're not the first owner, you basically won't be able to take advantage of it. That was about it. Have a good night, guys. Thank you.